So number 61 and 62 require that we understand the special relationships in the special 45-45-90 triangle and the special 30-60-90 triangle. In the isosceles right triangle, the 45-45-90, if you know the hypotenuse, then the legs will be the hypotenuse divided by the square root of 2. In the 30-60-90, when you know the hypotenuse, the relationship between the hypotenuse and the smallest side is a factor of 2. So the big hypotenuse would be divided by 2, and that would give us the small leg. And in the other direction, the small leg, if multiplied by 2, would give us the hypotenuse. Alright, well, number 61. If we look at half of this shape that appears to be a square, it's an isosceles right triangle, which means that these must be 45-degree angles. So this yellow triangle is a special 45-45-90, and the hypotenuse is 30 units long. That means the legs are 30 divided by the square root of 2. So S is equal to 30 divided by the square root of 2, and that could be your final answer. In simple radical form, it would be 15 radical 2. So either of these answers will do. 30 divided by radical 2 or 15 radical 2. All right, what about H? Well, in this picture, this triangle can be divided into two special right triangles. Two special 30-60-90 right triangles. So, what are the relationships of the sides in the 30-60-90? Opposite the smallest side, opposite the smallest angle is the smallest side. And the smallest side gets doubled to the hypotenuse and multiplied by radical 3 to the long leg. And that's our value for H. I believe that's it. That's how you do numbers 61 and 62. I hope that helped.